Hi guys, it's Lonni. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing my 17's seasons greetings for 2023. I'm super duper excited about this. So I bought the set, so it came with the seasons greetings box, and then it also came with a wall calendar, which I don't think I will be able to show you all. It's pretty massive. Maybe when I film vlogs you guys will get like a glimpse of how it looks on the wall. But since I bought the set, I got this like benefit right here. So it came with a photo seal of all 13 members, and then it came with 13 mini posters of the members as well. If you like unboxings, keep watching. If you like this video, make sure you like it and comment down below, and let's get started. We're probably gonna open this up first. This is how it came in the packaging. Super pretty. Can't wait to store these in my binder. So these are the stamp photos or stamp seals. It's so nice. And then on the back it's plain, but this is very, very nice. I do nice. And then the mini posters. Ooh. Okay, so first we have scoops. I'm guessing all the backs look like that. Jahan. These are gonna look so cute on my binder. Joshua, June, Hoshi, Waru, Wuji, Minghao, Mingyu, Tokyang, Sangkwan. Ooh, this picture of him is so cute. All of them look so good too. Vernon and Dino. Those are so cute. I wonder how I can store these, because of course they're bigger than photo card like sizes, but these are very cute. Now let's move to the star of the video, the season's greetings. So this box looks very, very nice. I don't know if you guys can see, probably can't, but right here it just says 2023 17 seasons greetings. Right here it says carrot, and then on this image right here just has all of their names, but you really can't see it that well. On the spine it has all of their names. The back just looks like that. And let's open her up. Alright, so this is everything it comes with. I see the photo cards. I need to turn them around ASAP. So we have the photo cards, the fortune cards. I think this is, yeah, the digital code. I think this is how to use the digital code. The door hanger, which we can take this out the plastic. Okay, so the door hanger on the front just looks like this, and then on the back it just has all of their names. Very cute. Have the photo book, which we'll get to. Is this like the, I'm not sure. I have to figure out. I forgot what all it came with because I ordered this such a long time ago. And then we have this folder in here. Oops. Oh, with the message card. I just zoomed you all in. I believe this is the photo book that it came with. Okay. Photos in here are so pretty. Okay, so this is like the pink concept, or the brighter concept. These photos are so nice. They look so nice as well. I'm so glad I did not watch people's unboxings, because now I can see how the photos look myself at first glance. This is so creative. I love this image of Junghan. Yeah, this is so nice. Wow, one with this Dior shirt. They just look so cute. The vibes too, I love this. This image of someone is so cute. Speaking of, you know, BSS has their comeback coming soon. I have pre-ordered my albums. I'm excited for them. And I have joined group orders. Well, a group order. So it's my first time ever doing it as a carrot or just being in K-pop in general. So we're on to the black / darker concept. And I love both concepts. Both concepts are so nice. And I think they did such a great job at selecting like the members for the different concepts. Like I feel like just seeing these 3 pictures of June, Hoshi, and Joshua, like this concept suits them so nice. Like, come on. Yes. These pictures are so nice. I love it. Like they did such a great job at this. It's so nice. And that's the last page. Next we have the diary that it comes with. So this is the front. I love how hollow this is. And the back. So the diary, I think essentially is just like, yeah, like a calendar. So yeah, I'll flip through this pretty quickly. And I love how it's marked with, oh my gosh, the frog instantly. The monthly and weekly planner with their birthdays, their debut, and Carrot Day. Oh wait, there's photos. These photos are so nice. Like the photos are very, very nice. I don't know why, but this photo, like this concept is low-key giving Limbo from June's digital single. Okay, next we have this. Like I said, I can't remember everything that came in the season's greetings because I ordered this like a long time ago. Yeah, this is the calendar. I forgot the desk calendar. Yeah, I forgot this was it. Probably gonna display this on my K-pop shelf. Which one day I will film. This stuff is so cute. I love it. Mingo. This is such a cute picture of him. next we have this folder. So it looks like this on the front and this on the back. Oh, I think this is like the postcard set and stuff like that. So we have Scoops, Junghan, Wonwoo, Uji, Mihao, Mingyu, and Sungwon. The next set we have Joshua, June, Hoshi, Tokyung, Vernon, and Dino. So next in that folder we have the sticker sheet, which just looks like this. Last but not least, we have the special message card, which is random. So let's see who we pulled. I'll let you guys see first. We got DK! That's so cute. We got DK. That is so cute. I'm excited to store this. Alright, so next we just have the digital code. It just comes in this case. Well, it comes in a standee. So yeah, I'm also going to store this in my binder as well. Okay, next we're going to do the fortune cards. So we first have Scoops, Junghan, Joshua, June, Hoshi, Wonwoo, Uji, Mingyu, Mingyu, DK, Sungwon, Vernon, and Dino. Okay, lastly, we just have the photo cards that come with the box. So first we have Scoops, Junghan, Joshua. Yo, this is like my first time seeing a lot of these cards. Joshua's card with this rose. It's giving. June. This card is so cute. This is why I'm glad I did not watch people's videos, because now I get my own reaction. Hoshi. For some reason, it's giving Light of Flame. If you know, you know. Only Hoshi, the tiger. Wonwoo. He is so cute in this picture. Uji with the iconic Wahe. Mingyu. I swear this purple just suits him. The purple hair, the purple fit. Mingyu. Oh, he drew a little carrot for his arrow. That is so cute. DK. I have plans for the 97 line. Sungwon, I swear he just ate up this whole concept. Like, I love this picture of him. It's so cute. Vernon. And Dino. This picture of him is so cute. So this is everything I got from my 17's 2023 season's greetings. I love the concept. I love everything in here. It's so cute. I'm super duper excited to store these in my binders. Like, I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications. Happy New Year also. Happy New Year. This is going to be my first video of the year. Starting off with my oats, starting off with my loves 17. Happy New Year. Hope you guys have a great year this year. I hope you guys are safe, happy, healthy. Like I said, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications. I also have 2 more seasons greetings that I purchased. I'm waiting for them to come in the mail. One of them comes very soon. It's from a girl group that is like one of my ults. I'm super duper excited for it. So I'm excited to unbox that, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.